So I've cleaned up the look, not so much the code, of my little solar clock. And I'm gonna include a link to that code in the comments here. So the way I'm running it, after I fiddle around with it in idle, because it's just quicker that way, go into console. This will work in any Linux or Mac OS. And then Python 3 with a link to the Python file in quotes. Hit enter. And there it is. As long as you keep that console open, not a problem. As you might notice, it's a little bit cleaner looking. I did get that second hand operating on these long seconds instead of standard SI second. Took a little finagling to get that to work. Basically, I took it down to microseconds, which is the unit smaller than a second that Python natively uses, and then had to fiddle around with that to get to my long second. And it's got, if you can notice that, it simulates the gear train lash that you would get on a pendulum clock, or even some pocket watches, from the way the escapement works. So it'll sit on the point, and then it'll kind of rock back and then forward, and overcompensate slightly, and then sit back on where it's supposed to be. So that was a pretty nice little touch. And I added little ticks for every minute/second. I polished up the look of everything, just a little bit cleaner looking. Yeah, there you go. And the code will be in the comments there.